What's up, guys? So today we're going to be welding up some bracing for a NA or NB Miata rear diff. When you start putting in power adders to your car, the stock diff has a couple of weak points. There's factory notching, as you can see right there. Those points are really going to be the main points of stress when you start adding power. A company came up with a solution. For $35 right now online, you can buy them. Comes as a kit, 2 pieces of aluminum, and they weld right up, as you can see. They fit right in place. This again works for any NA or NB Miata, so that's from 1990 to 2005.
Now this kit is supposed to strengthen the housing of the rear differential. This doesn't necessarily make the differential stronger. These are really stout from the factory and they can hold a lot of power. But that factory notch in the housing itself is really susceptible to cracking and fracturing when you're racing or trying to clutch kick and putting a lot of stress into that actual housing itself. So this kit is supposed to strengthen and beef it up.
Right now we're preheating the aluminum case. Now there's a couple of things this is going to do, any oils and stuff that's going to burn off. And 2, it's going to make it so this thick aluminum case here gets hot enough that the weld penetrates to the thinner aluminum and the thicker case equally.
This cast aluminum is very porous, so like he said, when he heats it up, it's going to burn off all of this crap, gunk, road grime, debris that are stuck within those little tiny pores. And that is how you make a stock Miata diff a little bit stronger for whatever you're trying to throw at it.